want to remind us that at a time I went to Osu. I was in Osu myself. And I saw what happened in Osu. When I returned, I kept quiet on so many things. I refused to say so many things. I kept quiet because Ndi Igbo may not really understand it the way it is. This was my entrance to Osu. This was my movement to Osu. The day I went to Osu. I went to Osu on the 16th of April, 2025. To see for myself what happened in Osu. And when I came back, I posted only videos and I didn't tell other experiences. This is in Osu. This is my arrival at Osu. How I went to Osu. I was there on the 16th of April. I saw houses. I saw many houses that were destroyed. And people expected me not to say things the way it is. Why? Because if you talk na Ala Igbo, Hasan Ebo Sabo. This evening, in the Imo States, it is at the tick of the clock that I want to speak to you now. Because those people whom are using you now to destroy Imo State, their state, they have a governor who bases in their state. They have a governor who is working. They have a governor whom is busy tiling roads, and you are celebrating it. Your own governor is on the run due to the challenges, the insecurity, the threat over his life. Why? Go offense here that he's your governor. That is his only offense. But if he happens to be your blood brother, then you wouldn't have planned evil against him. Because those are the table. They always observe table manners and they don't talk while eating. I am speaking now because there is need for me to speak. Hello? This video, shortly I will drop this video, then I will come back again. But meanwhile, before then, I like to tell you guys this. Imo State and a village Goko, and those people sending you their own states, their own villages, their own communities, their parents are there. Nabia, their parents are there. They have not destroyed their own place. So, welcome back. I had to mute and talk to my brother here. Those sending you, ni munye alagoku, ni munye your state, or ni destroy your state. Their governors are busy building roads. Their governors are busy building, giving or returning dividends of good governance. Of Ihobukuimo Ajere School. Ihobukuimo. Now to go before so Madonna school. How are the mighty falling? Ihobuku Makadi great. Ihobuku also. Somebody will from abroad gather money and send to you. In the name of what? For example, the husband of Dora Kunyere, that woman Emeregi. Kehedia Meregi. Baniburu dia na Ala Igbo. Mmadu kuoku when people advise you in Igbo land, the next thing you will say, Sabo, you are the idiot. That people are keeping quiet is not as if anybody is afraid of you. Igbo na-egbu Igbo. Ije ahịa na area. Ndị mafe ejide gị na-aga ihe niile nwere gbuo gị mma merụọ gị ahụ. They were doing these things. At some point, Igbo were iwe. It came to pass that the Igbos organized themselves in Aba. And they took a stand and made for themselves their own personal security. Who fought against the abnormality and criminality in our land? Bakassi. Those guys did. They fought tooth and nail. And in Gopala blood. Chima. Nickname Obagara. And I'm here. I am ready to block any of those idiots. They are always on Facebook. If you see their comments, you know. They are dirty comments. In a minute, your people neighbor Muhammad. Muhammad, that you are destroying electricity in your place. Muhammad, that health centers are pulling out of Imo State. Muhammad, that businesses are leaving Imo to Asaba. Muhammad, that businesses are leaving Ala Igbo today to Lagos. The same place, Ana Chundi Bachu. In a village, you see Muhammad. Go to Ebonyi State. No at that gang. Go to your state and do that to Muhammad. Go to Abia and do that to Muhammad. I am saying this and I owe no one no apology to this because Oga Fego Bandre. People are no longer coming home. If he doesn't settle you, he cannot enter his village. Burial. Burial in the village and settle you be fairly nobody. You said Igbo in Ala Igbo, and nobody will talk to you. Some of us have the courage to point you and tell you the gospel truth. It's too much. Okura left Enugu and entered Imo State. Go save Imo State. Onyomaka. And you didn't show sympathy. You didn't even consider. Even you didn't care. Your interest was how you can collect money, extort money, or sabo to you. Or spy. In a destroy Imo, then all of us will not talk. Because hatred heaven on earth. Then when you must have destroyed people, vulnerable people, when you must have destroyed their businesses, their lives and all that, you think they will forgive you? After you must have done all these things finished. For example, do you think one day will forgive you? Do you think will forgive you? Since the kingdom of God on earth, if nobody will tell you, I am saying it to you. The economical value of Southeast is completely down as of today because of you, because of your stupidity, because of your madness. You went to school and there is no job. The same experience you had is what the next person had. He went and created a job for himself. The only thing you could tell your brother is to kidnap him, is to plan a way to eliminate him, or maybe he has burial of his mother. A sad story I heard one certain time. No, so somebody me on a mortuary, or let call him me, a kidnapper the guy. If you keep quiet for these idiots to run in your place, then you will have no place to call home. I'm saying it because if I keep quiet, people will think I'm in support of this, your madness and nonsense you do in the land. You can't even go to the cities and work out for yourself. So it may be Ala Igbo. It may be Ala Igbo State. KB Gapo your own home. Where will you call your home? Ndimo State come join. You people obtained the state. Who win in the state one of the highest number of graduates. I think for 5 years. 5 good years. You did well academically. Is it the same Imo State that people are now turning themselves into kidnappers? What are you doing? You think you are doing the governor? The governor who does not care whether you exist. The governor who does not care if you will breathe. You think you are doing anything to help Uzodinma? By January, I think February 2028, he will no longer be in office. And you won't even remember talking about him. He has the best of security around him for the rest of his life. Then you think you are doing anything to help Uzodinma? It's a waste of time and energy. The man is just on his own, enjoying the best of life he can afford for himself and his family. The money is there. If anybody says anything contrary to those your nonsense belief or your chattered idiocy, the next thing you tag him that person is Sabo. Sabo when you don't even want anything on your own because you only steal from people. You steal from people because you cannot even work hard for yourself. If actually you can get those things, then you've no need stealing. Where on earth did the Igbo man I know before, who knows the importance of life, who truly cares for life and has value for life, even you offload and kidnap every blessed day. Upon the release of Okurora, you still went back again and ganged up against the innocent man whom they contributed millions. You're welcome back. The network was bad, but I'm not going to stop. Now, the people that are giving you those sponsors from abroad who has aided you the chances and the opportunities, may be Ala Igbo, they are no longer sending you the money. And the best way you think you can get the money is to start ravaging and destroying Ala Igbo because nature make you go. So I want to ask you, Gimwabo Imo State, Gimwabo Onyumaka and Imo State, is high time we rise. It's high time we rise against this nonsense. People live abroad. People comes into the country as at 20 years ago, 15 years ago, once they arrived Imo State, I mean Ala Igbo or Nigeria, they comes to Imo State to chill. It was a place to stay. It was a loving area, state you could be to. Everyone thinks on how to get to Imo State. In this Port Harcourt, I do see people who travels back to Imo State. The idiots are here. This one commented, Rising Rock. You are an idiot. I don't care whom you are. You are an idiot because if you are not an idiot, you will not go to someone's village and chase them out of the village and take over their communities. In the name of what? If you have parents, if you have mother, maybe your father or your siblings are there, you won't even think about this nonsense. You leave your own state, you enter Imo State. Imo State becomes a war field for you. And the host communities are keeping quiet. Go to Osu, go and check what they've done in Osu. In Osu today, the sons and daughters of Osu are broad-based. They are the ones raising monies to protect their land. Sometimes these people will spend 15 million, 16, 20 to provide food items. The schools in that area are completely done. They vandalized everything. And you're telling me, Ibu Mama, who on earth gives birth to a child who does not want progress in the family? Which parents will be happy over that? Who would be happy? I'll block you from here, Rising Rock. If you comment nonsense, I'm not joking with you. I'm not here to play with you. Because some mobile and going to something that should profit you. You won't think like human being. How on earth will you just wake up one morning and you just make the decision to chase away people who worked hard for their hard-earned money? Businessmen, you go and kidnap that one. That is so. Are they government officials? How many government officials where you don't go carry? Now individuals, poor people where they manage themselves. Do you know how people run around before they could raise the monies they need? Now the little boy, the fish magnet also, thank you for reminding me. What was his offense? These are the things you've given back to. Even though it is not your members who did that thing, you are the one who must have preached it through the news. People hear on social media. People get missing here every blessed day. I thought when you came, so many of you were announcing that you are there to protect Ala Igbo. Is it the same Ala Igbo you are destroying? Just for quest of money. Just for quest of money. That money, what are you even using it for? Nonsense, because you don't even live in your house. You're not a free man. And if you're one of those people, because you go be yebu madole. Yebu madole ki yebu di ha. Ero na Johnson no dey render okada stage here. Onye okada so e can abako okada, but this in Igbo nu mo. And you are giving information to burn down villages in your community. You are very, very comfortable with that. God has reasons to judge you. And let me tell you, whether you've decided that internally you have nothing to offer for your next generation or thereabout, you must not destroy that of the next person. Go to your place. If you want to, I thought that many of you said that you will make Nigeria ungovernable. Ala Igbo is in Ichoro. That's you want to save Igbo land. It's still the same place you are making ungovernable. Then you, with your own mentality, is this the way you're going to govern the Ala Igbo? Many of you don't even know how to write your name. You can't even talk. You don't even know how to address issues. But you are a champion in the bush. Nebuchadnezzar. The Igbos who goes to bushes and develop it before are now relocating into the bush as a Fulani S-man or as what? And when people talk, you make plans to go burn down their houses and all that because you cannot afford 100 bags of cement. You make plans on how you follow young man in sweat, in day and night hustle, because you never tried it before. Because if you had built a house and know what it is, maybe train one of your younger ones for university, you know go see you cop and kidnap him. You know go try him. But your imagination tells you what you will gain because you're a fool. You begin to plan. Go to Osu and see what they did in Osu. Some filling stations, they destroyed it completely. I said I went into their power supply, their I think NEPA office or thereabout. I saw things and I shed tears. These people will come, they will lose transformer. Who are those people buying those transformers from them? No marker right now. Where not there? No outside person is in Osu. No outside person is in Omaka. So who are those people terrorizing Omaka? Are they not our own people? Are they not the same people? And you, as an indigene, somebody will come from Abia. I know why I'm hitting this point. Somebody will come from Abia and tell you that he's the head of Umuoma. He's not in charge in your own village. Therefore, chasing your uncles away, burning down houses, chasing mothers, women and children out of the villages, forcing the people to contribute monies for them, holding them hostage. What a life. What a low standard of wickedness against your own people. And tomorrow you want people to support you. You want people to believe in whatever you think you are doing. You are making people to get tired of you. And I promise you that the Igbos will react. I promise you. Nandi Igbo, majorly in the Imo state, got react. You will see for yourself. And it's high time, because I will keep saying it henceforth. I'll keep talking to our people. They got to wake up. They got to stand up for what is right, because our old parents, our uncles back home, me, I based in Port Harcourt. Most times I spend my days in Abuja, Lagos. So which time will I go get to spend that days with you? Back home. So what time will I have to come back home there, start junketing about with you? I'm only concerned about our people back home. Because onye buru nwanne aburu odogu. At the end of the day, okoko, you don't amount to anything. In what we he pass it? School orbiters. How can you be in the bush? We take A47 as a graduate. Then why did your parents spend money? They had to. Sometimes your mother would plantain. Package your plantain. One you get where they go. Nico didn't need an idea. One year way forward or again. At the end of the day, Butraga na school, give richer, graduate here. The reward you would for your mother, email or Brambanelu. Just to give that woman BP. Cause all their problem. Anywhere when they forgive so plan and execute it. Ewo general, ewo commander, all your plans, all your commanding, all your ego, you've never used it to bring any better thing to Ala Igbo. The only thing you can do is, if you are a big man, do you know that this idiot, they goes as far as threatening some of us on social media? They go as far as threatening some of us on social media who have platforms. That why can't we use our platforms to talk about what they want us to talk about? Were you there when we bet these platforms? It is our integrity you are trying to jeopardize. No Igbo man can be chased out of Obia without his brothers. It's a lie. Go and check history. And what okay you see me? You better than Obi Onyibo. You took Onyibo no Obia without Omunaya. So if there are any chaos in Osu, people from Osu, they were the major architect to it. If it is happening today in Umaka must you learn bad thing? Open one and make one to before. At any little thing. So all your brothers are abroad today. Your plans is just how to kidnap all of them. Do you know how many persons they must have kidnapped? So for you to have touched Okurora that particular day, a day before that day, who knows whom you touched last? People are now doing kidnapping, Nemo State in Kanye, as a usual thing, as a normal thing. Oh, in kidnapping, we get Jesus mad opposite no lion village and no maka. Then on your POS and on a gate here, according to what Okurara said. I say we say POS mad way withdraw she going on account and police is doing nothing about all these things. Police all be at the other place. And they butcher some police. Bundibo, they tossed, they are bitter about these things. And when they feel like taking action, our own brothers say betray her, we her. Ibuga our people. Ibuga Ndibo. Ibuga men making their wives widows. You are not adding any value to the society, neither are you changing lives in Igbo land. You are creating more havoc and chaos in the land, and you think heaven will forgive you? It's high time many of us will start rising against you. In a moment, Zuzuru Meriagawa, Maria may part of Imo State, maybe part of Igbo land. Major, I'm even more concerned about Alimo. Ichebo could you buy your own state. We've heard series of complaints. There was a story I told last year online. If you check my page very well, you'll see it. Somebody made a travel. Gaga somewhere with Enyawoko. Otake Shiburu ha boba anymore today. Today. What was his offense? Can you hear this guy? Can you hear me? They at sight they may see somebody. I say Onya Abu Sabo or is a threat. Bo! They will just shoot at him. Ala Igbo. They know according to Okurora that the commander said to him, don't even look back. So if you stop, you just fire somebody. Human being. Your own Igbo brother. So what other kingdom are you bringing? To all of you who brought this madness to our land, and to those of you who are still sponsoring it, the baby you gave birth to that you were buying milk for is now demanding blood, and you can no longer afford blood. It's everywhere. It's everywhere today. So we are not going to keep quiet any longer. We are not going to keep quiet any longer. Emmanuel, one FIMO state, one FIMO. And it's like these people land this space again. Enough is enough. We can stop this madness and nonsense and move forward. Which implies I'll follow you to your father's house, right? And when we get there, somehow you will tell me, you remind me that I am not from your community. I want to remind Indimo State that it is time for we to take actions. It is time for we to stop all this madness and nonsense. He's not giving us good names. You see, that day Okurora was speaking angrily, he had to express the way it is, because even rendering help to the young man anymore is more of risk to him, and he has no need doing that. So that was why he was speaking out of anger. And nobody should blame him, because he has done his little best, but his best wasn't enough and it couldn't work. We never appreciated it. Our people, the people from Umaka, Ibu Muama, and somebody is facing what's it called, kidney issues. So out of the monies you think you've made before, the profit you've made from your KP, I don't want to call it complete because of Facebook. So you could not, out of that money, and show sympathy to another Igbo person. You are worse than Lucifer. When people talk to you, you say they are betrayers. And our brothers who lives abroad, they are very quick to run into people's Facebook page, get their numbers and start threatening them. Give one now. I've seen able sponsor mama. Lotana Ala Igbo. Lotana Ala Igbo. The same mama hogi hey brugi. Bubogi more. They treat you more than the way even the Fulani Buta they even sympathize with you a little. How we can not get going to immediately. Fulani people will get Butagina. Boragi 20 million, Guinea 5 million, hand like a. But this one's Natagego, Habachek, Wefunugi, Bowagi, Newo Sabo. What makes you Sabo when Abraham they stay in the wrong? That is all. That's the highest sin. Before you know it, come on, these guys are mad. This is not who we are. So I am of the opinion, Ali Boma Mama Ramanage. It is not for me alone. It is not for me alone. And to young people who comment, who go to their comment sections and type that they want to join them, you are very stupid. Think of better thing. And I've also heard about Eziokwu. He said today they kidnapped a lady. So somebody just commented here now. He said that at Eziokwu today they kidnapped a lady. That lady they kidnapped now might be somebody's wife. He kidnapped Otia, Leni Anyana Demma, he rape Oyabi, one of the 4 or 5 rape Onye mother. Or one name mother. Or one about nature where one of the 6, 7 rape Oya. Tomorrow he preach yellow nya, Nina Chi with Aria Biafra. Tomorrow he preach yellow nya, Newo Mama. And when he got no wa, when he got no wa, when he got what did that woman, when he got woman near no wa, they will forever listen or respect you. You are destroying the last respect to go in for yourself. Had it been Nime Ibegani Hendu Nizuzu Ariga, Nemenia Obodanya are they at peace. Iotago, the people are they happy, Brigodino Bodoha. Are they kidnap or half of the Hanoma security? Even your governors, many of them, some senators will start supporting you. And if there are many of them supporting you with this kind of evil activities you are doing today, they don't further love you. They hate you. As far as I know, politicians, they are cashing out. They are cashing out. Or they are cashing into this particular insecurity in the East. All because you are fueling your bid for 2027 elections, or you want to return to the National Assembly. Is that enough reason for you to kill the people you want to rule? This is where I will leave you. The word is enough for the wise. Ndimo, it is high time you back out of this nonsense. This is not whom you are. The likes of De Samun Bakwe, people who fought for us, people who made this state to be this great, how would they feel where they are? The quarter of your own little contribution, is it to burn down the little hope we have? The heartland is bleeding. The heartland is really, really bleeding. So who will speak for the people? Thank you. God bless you.